Welcome guys. Problem, have you ever charged up one of your Lipo batteries and it won't actually kick off with a charge? It brings up a cell error and for some reason you just cannot get it to initiate a charge. Well, I've got a fantastic little solution for you here today. It's going to save you basically a new battery, and you don't need to chuck it out. You just need to trick it a little bit and put a little bit of power into it so that your charger, whether you got GT power or the Sky RC, I'm not too sure what other chargers this works on. I'll let you know what I do with these and hopefully it will work on yours as well. Let's get going. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to plug your battery into your whatever station you have. I've just got a little extended balance port here. Do not charge in the balance charging cable at this stage, otherwise this won't work. So just plug in your XT60 and leave it right there like that. Generally when this happens, it's because you're let your batteries run way too low. It won't initiate the charge, just tells you there's a door now. So with your battery program, what you want to do is to go over to the nickel metal hydride, NiMH. Hit start, then it will ask you for the charge. So what I actually do is I go down to, this is a 1300, so I just actually halve that to the amperage. So we'll make that, I'll make that 6.6 of an amp. Hit the start button. Now when you do start this, keep an eye on your voltage. Make sure it doesn't exceed the 14.8. This is going to exceed it because I've actually fixed this one already. So it's 16 point, better stop that. So what will actually happen is it'll pump a bit of power into it. Do this charge for about 30, 40, 50 seconds. Keep an eye on your voltage. Make sure it doesn't exceed whatever voltage it is. Like I said, do it for about 30, 40 seconds. Hit the stop button. Then plug your balance leads straight in. Then plug in your balance leads, like so. And don't forget we want to change our back from nickel metal hydride back to Lipo battery. Select your correct amperage and back to 4S. Checking it, all good, enter, and you will find that it fires up and begins to charge straight away. Hope you found this helpful. It will work for any of your batteries that are completely dead. I certainly know over winter when you don't fly a lot of these, and if you have put it away flat, you just cannot charge them. So works for me. Any other tips and tricks, put them down below in the comments, that'd be great, and I hope this has helped you out. See you next time on the workbench in the sky. Catch you later. Bye for now. Got some work to do. Yeah, I've got some work to do.